The war in Ukraine has inflicted heavy losses on Russia's military, causing widespread destruction and significant casualties. Tanks, artillery, and aircraft have been destroyed in significant numbers, leaving a trail of wreckage and devastation. The need to rebuild is urgent as the losses have severely impacted Russia's military capabilities. Russia is now embarking on a complex path of military regeneration, a process that is both challenging and essential. This involves replacing lost equipment and modernizing its armed forces to meet current and future threats. The scale of this task is immense, requiring vast resources and coordinated efforts. Russia's military-industrial complex faces a considerable challenge in ramping up production and innovation. Years of sanctions have weakened its capacity, limiting access to critical technologies and materials. Despite this, Russia is determined to restore its military might, driven by a sense of national pride and strategic necessity. The outcome of these efforts will have profound implications for global security, potentially altering the balance of power. The conflict has exposed vulnerabilities in Russia's military doctrine, highlighting areas that need urgent attention. Initial setbacks have forced a reassessment of tactics and equipment, leading to strategic changes. Russia is now focusing on quantity over quality, aiming to quickly replenish its forces. This involves mobilizing its economy for war production, a move that requires significant sacrifices from its population. It also means accepting a higher tolerance for risk and casualties, a stark reality of their current strategy. One of the biggest challenges facing Russia is manpower. The ongoing conflict has stretched the nation's human resources thin, creating a dire need for more soldiers. The conflict has resulted in significant casualties, with many soldiers either killed or severely injured, further exacerbating the manpower shortage. Attracting new recruits is proving difficult. The younger generation is increasingly reluctant to join the military, given the high risks involved. Economic hardship and the war's unpopularity are key factors. Many citizens are more focused on day-to-day survival than enlisting in the military. To address this, Russia has launched recruitment drives and increased salaries. These incentives aim to attract more volunteers, but the results have been mixed. Replacing lost equipment is another hurdle. The battlefield has seen extensive damage to military hardware, creating a pressing need for replacements. Sanctions have restricted access to critical components, making it difficult to produce new equipment or repair damaged ones. This includes microchips and other advanced technologies which are essential for modern military operations. Russia is turning to domestic production and foreign partners like Iran. These collaborations aim to fill the gaps left by Western sanctions. However, these measures are unlikely to fully compensate for Western technology. The quality and reliability of domestically produced and foreign-sourced equipment often fall short. The war has depleted Russia's stockpile of precision-guided munitions, which are crucial for effective military strategy. This has forced reliance on older, less accurate weapons, reducing the effectiveness of military operations. While Russia retains a large arsenal of Soviet-era equipment, its effectiveness is limited. These older machines are often less reliable and more prone to breakdowns. Modernization efforts are underway but face significant obstacles. The combination of sanctions, economic hardship, and technological gaps makes this a challenging endeavor. Despite these challenges, Russia is adapting its military strategy to meet the evolving threats and pressures it faces. It is increasingly focusing on asymmetric capabilities. This includes cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and information operations, which are becoming central to its defense doctrine. These methods are designed to offset Western military superiority and create strategic advantages in unconventional ways. They also aim to undermine NATO's cohesion and resolve, creating divisions among member states. Western sanctions are having a significant impact on Russia's military industry, affecting its ability to produce and maintain advanced weaponry. They are restricting access to finance, technology, and markets, which are crucial for sustaining military operations. This is slowing down Russia's rearmament efforts and hindering its ability to modernize its forces. Continued Western support for Ukraine is crucial in this context. It is essential for degrading Russia's military capacity and ensuring Ukraine can defend itself effectively. This includes providing Ukraine with advanced weapons, intelligence, and other forms of military assistance to bolster its defense capabilities. Russia's military regeneration efforts are taking place in a shifting geopolitical landscape. NATO is strengthening its eastern flank. Finland and Sweden have joined the alliance. This has heightened tensions with Russia. It has also led to increased military spending by NATO members. The war in Ukraine has highlighted the importance of military readiness. It has also underscored the need for a united Western response to Russian aggression. The outcome of the conflict will have lasting implications for global security. It will also shape the future balance of power in Europe and beyond.